When Nazi Germany collapsed in 1945, the world suddenly inherited the remains of one of the most advanced air forces on Earth. Across Europe, more than 25,000 Luftwaffe aircraft sat abandoned on runways, hidden in forests, buried in underground tunnels, or scattered in secret research bases. Some were intact. Some were half-finished prototypes. Others were cutting-edge jet aircraft, years ahead of their time. The Allies faced a massive question. What should be done with all these planes? Destroy them? Study them? Use them? Cover up secrets that could change the next war? Tonight, we follow the forgotten, unbelievable journey of the Luftwaffe's machines, from burning piles of wreckage to American test fields, from Soviet laboratories to underwater graves, from forgotten bunkers to priceless museum treasures. This is the story the world never saw.